Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about hidden Mickeys. Most of you know that at Disney World, the attention to detail is woven throughout the guest experience, and it's in these details that set Disney apart from all other theme parks. One detail that I absolutely love about Disney are those little hidden Mickeys. For those of you who are wondering, a hidden Mickey is a deliberate or accidental placing of a formation of 3 circles that may be recognized as the silhouette of the head and ears of Mickey Mouse, often referred to as a classic Mickey. These have been known to be placed in Disney-themed movies, Disney rides, and other media. Some hidden Mickeys have been known to occur when something is in the right spot at the right time, such as a lamppost or a railing shadow. One of the most hidden Mickeys can be found midway through the queue of Under the Sea Journey of the Little Mermaid. It can only be seen once a year, and it was specifically placed there by Imagineers. On November 18th each year, which also happens to be Mickey Mouse's birthday, a hidden Mickey is formed for several minutes around noontime. When the sun shines through a hole in the rockwork, it forms a sunny, classic hidden Mickey. Hidden Mickeys originated during the creation of Epcot Center in 1982. The Disney company had decided that Epcot would be a more adult park with the inclusion of selling alcohol. Because alcohol and Disney characters were deemed to be an inappropriate combination, it was decided instead that none of the Disney characters, including Mickey Mouse, would ever be seen at Epcot Center. To some of the Imagineers working on Epcot Center, that decision was taken as a challenge. They secretly included hidden Mickey Mouse profiles into various designs at that park. Eventually, guest comments led Disney to include the characters at Epcot Center, but in the meantime, a tradition was born at Walt Disney Imagineering, and hidden Mickeys have become a staple of all theme park designs ever since. I personally think that hidden Mickeys are such a fun detail and love searching the parks and resorts for them during my visits to the most magical place on earth. Our first year visiting Disney as a family, we spent the day at Wilderness Lodge, exploring the resort with their provided hidden Mickey hunt. Since then, we have purchased the Hidden Mickeys of Walt Disney World book, and we use that during our visits. We always include at least one resort hidden Mickey hunt day during our trips to keep it budget friendly. I recently came across a recipe for a hidden Mickey cake. So of course, being a huge fan of the hidden Mickey, I just had to give it a try. It requires a pre-made chocolate pound cake, which I made with my girls yesterday. You can buy a pre-made pound cake if you prefer that. The first step is to slice your chocolate pound cake and use your Mickey-shaped cookie cutter to cut out Mickey shapes from the cake and place the chocolate pound cake Mickey slices in the center of a loaf pan lengthwise. Next, we prepared the pound cake batter. Once aligned and centered, we poured the cake batter into the pan, covering the line of Mickey shapes. We made sure that the batter went all the way down the sides of the pan, completely covering the chocolate cake on both sides. We baked as instructed by the box and let the cake cool completely before attempting to remove it from the pan. Once the cake was cool, we removed it from the loaf pan and set it on a tray. We frosted it with vanilla frosting and added sprinkles for fun. And now came time for the big reveal. This cake was so much fun to make. We really enjoyed every bit of it from beginning to end. It was super simple and it tasted really, really good. If you're a big hidden Mickey fan like me, you definitely want to give this recipe a try because it was very, very easy. I will leave a link in the comments to the cake recipe that I used to create the hidden Mickey cake. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more Disney related content. We do have a trip coming up to Walt Disney World. We will be staying at a Disney Good Neighbor hotel. It's one of the most inexpensive Good Neighbor hotels, and I will be doing a review on that. We are going to be staying in a family-sized room, so it sleeps 6 people. If you are interested in traveling to Disney, staying off property, and not spending a lot of money, you definitely want to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that video. We're also going to be going to the Festival of the Arts, and I will be uploading some video from that. So I will be putting up more Disney content going forward with the channel. I know if you have been following along with me from the beginning, it's kind of been a work in progress. I've been doing some Disney things, I've been doing some cooking things. So I think that I've found a happy medium. I'm going to do Disney related things. I will be doing Disney vacations, Disney tips, Disney food, and just like Disney fashion. Things like that is what you can expect from my channel. So if you're interested in any of those things, you definitely want to subscribe. I just wanted to say thank you for those who have been with me from the beginning. It's been quite a long haul for me. If you like my content, I would really appreciate it if you would share it with people, just to kind of spread that out there. I will be doing more videos like this one, kind of quick Disney history, Disney facts, and just anything that's Disney related. It will be on this channel. And my original idea why I started my channel was to do Disney content, and I kind of got mixed up with worrying a little bit about what people want me to make, and so I started doing a lot of different things, and I want to be doing things that I enjoy doing, and I think that that is, you know, the whole purpose of it. So I will be doing Disney things. That is why originally the name on my channel was Disney Driven, because I wanted to do Disney driven content, and so that is what I'm going to be doing. You can also follow me on Instagram at disney.driven. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.